probably seen maps like this one before. You may even have one in your classroom or at home. This map divides the world into countries and gives each country a color. But what if we gave Earth a different kind of map? What if we made a map that showed the differences in elevation across the planet? This map shows what Earth really looks like. There are several maps like this, but they all show the same general features. Let's start out in North America. You can see the Rocky Mountains here in the United States and Canada. And over here are the Great Plains. And because there are so many lakes in this region, it looks like a big puddle. Here's Mexico and Central America. Over here is Cuba and the Caribbean islands. This is the tallest mountain in the region. Mount Denali, also known as Mount McKinley, at 20,310 feet. It is almost 3 miles high. That's taller than Mount Everest. Now let's cross the Pacific Ocean and fly over to Asia. This is China. These are the Himalayas, including Mount Everest, which is the tallest mountain on Earth at 29,032 feet or over 5 miles high. Next to Everest is K2, the second tallest mountain on Earth. Here's India, and this is the Arabian Sea. And over here are the Persian Gulf and Iraq. Now let's go down under and take a look at Africa. Here's the Sahara Desert. This is the Nile River, and these are the Atlas Mountains. Most people don't realize how big Africa is, but it's actually the second largest continent on Earth. Here's the Congo River. It's the second longest river in Africa, but it's so wide that it looks like a big black hole in this image. The tallest mountain in Africa, Mount Kilimanjaro, is over 19,000 feet high. That's more than twice the height of Mount Denali. Here's another view of Earth's surface. Notice how the tallest mountains in the world form a ring around the Pacific Ocean. These mountains were formed by the same plate tectonics that created the Himalayas. But what about Europe? Where are the Alps? They're pretty tall, but they're not very wide, so they're hard to see on this map. And what about Australia? This is the Great Dividing Range. It runs along the eastern coast of the continent. The highest peak is Mount Kosciuszko. No matter what map you use, one thing is for sure, Earth is full of amazing places and we can explore them all from the comfort of our classroom. Thanks for watching.